Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by National Heroes Park and we are giving you a drone tour of the park. This is where the national heroes of Jamaica are buried and also prime ministers. And I must say it's nicely maintained. Now, this section is where you have the graves and the monuments, but the other section is where they are planning to do some development. They won't be interfering with this section. This section is not going to be interfered with. The other section, they were planning to build a parliament building there, and that would lead to the redevelopment of the entire area around National Heroes Park. But the costing didn't work out and they only got one bid. So something else might probably be done with that area. But today we are giving you a tour of this area. Very nicely maintained. We put up a video of King's House the other day and I was really impressed with how well maintained King's House is. And this area is also nicely maintained. So we have to say job well done to whoever is in charge of King's House and this facility. Alright, so we're just going to give you a brief history of National Heroes Park. National Heroes Park in Kingston, Jamaica is a significant cultural and historical site. It spans about 50 acres and serves as a resting place for several of Jamaica's national heroes, cultural icons, and leaders. The park commemorates figures like Marcus Garvey, Sir Alexander Bustamante, Norman Manley, and Nanny of the Maroons, among others. In addition to the monuments and graves, the park is a site of national celebrations and state ceremonies. It also has memories for soldiers who died in World War I and II. National Heroes Park is a key landmark in Jamaica's heritage, symbolizing the struggles and achievements of the country's historical figures. Alright, that's the end of the article. Now, Jamaica has a lot of historical sites. Can you imagine if all those sites were as well maintained as this one, or King's House? It would really make a difference. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy the rest of the tour as we show you different sides of National Heroes Park. Alright guys, have a good day.